Imagine waking up tomorrow to breaking news. Every world government, united for the first time in history, delivers the same chilling message. Earth is just 30 days before it becomes uninhabitable. Not years, not centuries, just 30 days. Humanity has 1 month to decide its fate. Where do we go? How do we escape? And who gets left behind? According to NASA and other space agencies, there are only 3 realistic targets within our technological reach. The moon, just 3 days away by rocket. It's close but deadly. No atmosphere. No water, except in frozen pockets. Survival there would mean rushing to build airtight domes and mining ice before supplies run out. Mars, the dream of colonization. But with current rockets, it takes months to get there. In 30 days, we could barely launch a handful of ships. And Mars itself? Freezing cold, toxic air, deadly radiation. Not exactly a safe haven for 8 billion people. Orbiting habitats, massive space stations circling Earth. In theory, we could build O'Neill cylinders, giant rotating colonies with artificial gravity. But in practice, even the International Space Station barely supports 7 astronauts. 8 billion? Impossible. So if Earth dies in 30 days, there simply isn't room for everyone. That means someone has to choose. Who gets to live and who gets left behind? Governments might prioritize scientists, engineers, and doctors, people with the skills to rebuild civilization elsewhere. But history tells us something darker. The wealthy and powerful always find a way to the front of the line. Private billionaires would scramble to load their rockets with family, friends, and elites. Ordinary people? Most would never even get a chance to board. Imagine the chaos. Airports overwhelmed. Streets filled with riots. Rumors of secret launches hidden from the public. Every day, the countdown ticks closer to 0, and the chances of survival shrink. By day 10, governments collapse under pressure. Cities descend into panic. Banks, hospitals, and supply chains fail. Survival groups retreat underground, hoping to outlast whatever catastrophe is coming. But 30 days isn't enough to prepare bunkers for billions. Meanwhile, in the skies, rocket after rocket blasts upward. Some succeed. Many fail. Desperate launches overload untested technology, leading to fiery disasters witnessed across the globe. Humanity's greatest minds race against clock, but physics doesn't bend to desperation. By day 25, hope is almost gone. On the final day, Earth is eerily quiet. The rich and powerful vanish into orbit. A lucky few find themselves on the moon or in cramped habitats. But for the vast majority, there is no escape. 8 billion lives reduced to silence. The sky glows with the last trails of rockets. And then, Earth itself begins to die. Is this just science fiction or a chilling possibility? Scientists warn that threats like supervolcanoes, asteroid impacts, or even runaway climate collapse could force humanity into a race against time. The question is not just where we would go, but who would be allowed to follow. So I'll leave you with this. If Earth gave you just 30 days to survive, what would you do? Subscribe to Neo World Files for more What If Futures.